I'm Kenny with Embroidery Library. One of my favorite kitchen towel projects is called the Topsy Towel Project. Not only does it add a creative look to the kitchen, but if you mix and match designs and fabric prints, the variations are endless. The first thing that I do is square off the towel. It's 18 inches wide by 28 inches tall. I'll factor in a 1/2 inch seam allowance, so I'll cut 9 1/2 inches off the bottom of the towel. Fold the raw edge over 1/4 inch and press. Fold over another 1/4 inch and press. Sew a 1/8 inch seam along the inner edge. A template is a printout of a design, and it's an excellent tool to plan where to stitch. I've put a ruler on the towel pointing from corner to corner, and that's going to help me center the template between the two sides. I'm placing the template so the bottom of the design is 3 inches from the corner of the towel, and the center is right on the ruler. After I have the template where I want to stitch the design, I mark the center point and vertical and horizontal access lines. Those marks help me to hoop the towel properly. Hoop the towel with a piece of cutaway stabilizer, lining up the marks on the fabric with the marks on the hoop. Because I'm embroidering so close to the corner of the towel, not all of the towel is hooped, but I'm hooping as much as possible, including the point. Attach the hoop to the machine and move the hoop so the needle is right over the center point. Embroider the design. I use a size 11 or 7511 embroidery needle. You can use a sharp sewing needle too. After embroidering, trim the stabilizer away from the back of the towel. Next, I'll work on the top piece for the towel. Cut a piece of quilter's cotton to 8 by 8 inches. Place the fabric wrong side up. Fold the edge over on one side 1/2 inch and press. Then fold the edge of the other side over 1/2 inch and press. Then fold and press the remaining 2 edges. Lay the towel wrong side up. The embroidered side faces down. Place the cotton square on the upper corner and pin in place. Sew a 1/4 inch seam around the entire outer edge of the top piece. The next step is to add the buttonhole. Mark 1.5 inches down from the top corner. Sew a buttonhole at that mark. I'm using a 1-inch button, so my buttonhole is 1 1/4 inches. Next, I'll make the hole that the towel loops through. Measure down 1 inch from the bottom of the buttonhole, then draw lines straight out to the edge of the quilter's cotton, parallel to the towel. Sew a zigzag stitch on both sides of the lines, leaving 1/16 inch of space between them. Use a craft knife and cutting pad to cut through the buttonhole and through the angled lines. Lay the towel with the embroidered side up. Sew a button 11 1/2 inches down from the top corner of the towel. To hang, slide the corner down behind the bar, then wrap the towel around and pull it through the slot. Button in place. I really enjoyed choosing the designs and finding coordinating fabric for each one. This towel features a lavender cameo and a soft purple damask print. This towel has a Delft blue design, and I found a floral print in blue and cream to match perfectly. Thank you for watching today. For embroidery designs and creative tutorials, visit our website, www.emblibrary.com.